Hello, this is a short tip on how to slip the contents of an audio clip in the timeline a certain amount of time. Chris here wants to shift the contents exactly 9 seconds. So what's the easiest way to do it? To demonstrate that, I will go into PPro and I've added this music file. I've added that one to the timeline, and for demonstration purpose I've just added some cuts at 9 seconds. So I will go to 9 seconds and add a cut. I will go also to another 9 seconds and add a cut. Let's also add another cut at 9 seconds and just delete this one. So what Chris wants is to slip the contents of that clip 9 seconds exactly. Okay. To do that, I will show you the following: that if I select this edit point by pressing Ctrl, it will be a ripple edit, and I'll press on the keyboard on the numeric pad +9 seconds. This way my clip will be extended 9 seconds to the right. So my clip is extended exactly 9 seconds. Now I'll press on that one, and I press Ctrl, and also I'll press +9, and as you can see, this is it. My clip now is exactly that one, which means that I did the slip, okay, for that clip at 9 seconds exactly. Okay, I repeat, what I did is I select the first one as ripple edit, press +9, select that one, also press +9 to trim it once again, and now I have what Chris wants exactly. But I can really do it in one step. I can press that one and press Ctrl Shift that side in the same time. Now I'll press +9, and this is it. I've just do a slip operation on that one for 9 seconds exactly.